Facebook's mission since the beginning has always been to give people the power to share and to be more open. And really all Facebook was about in the beginning was giving people a place online with really great privacy controls where they could share information about themselves and then connect with sort of other people around them. And it grew to be something that not just college students wanted to do, but anyone in the world. And at this point, we're 130 million people in every country on earth. Our original goal is to make the world a more open place, and we've done a lot of great things to push that vision along. That sort of the idea of friending someone, is an important thing where that's sort of what life is about, right? Like you meet different people every day in your everyday life, and at Facebook we're really trying to create a natural mapping of sort of the everyday world, the world that you interact with every day. And we're really just trying to mimic the world as it exists. And so part of that is meeting new people, making new friends, and at the core of Facebook is that very simple action of becoming friends with the new people that you meet every day. If you look at sort of history over time, in the Middle Ages you never met more than 150 people in your entire lifetime, and now the average Facebook user has around 150 friends. So that's where it begins, and depending on who you are, it's really up to you as to how many you want to maintain. I don't think any number is too many. There's all different types of relationships that you can have between people, and I think over time you'll see Facebook become a place where all those relationships can exist and there's no limits on anything.